Hi everybody, myself Manjunath Reddy, proprietor of SciCAD, Rajan Kunte, Elahanka, Bangalore, India. I welcome you all to today's topic, that is trim command. In trim command is a very repeatedly used command in AutoCAD to cut off the unwanted edges, to remove the unwanted edges. So here in my AutoCAD file, I have so many examples here. I hope you all can see here. Example A, this is example B, here's example C, example D, and E and F. So many examples I have here. So let me show you the example, then you can evaluate and you can judge that the concepts. Okay. So here I'm going to trim command. First example A here, or let me say, example A. Now I say TRIM, trim command. TRIM, short form you all know, that is TR enter. Once I say TR enter, I select this border here. The red color line I have selected, enter. I can cut off these two edges. This edge as well, this edge. Fine, enter, over. So this, most of you know this. Fine, good. I'll move to the next example. Example B here. In this example B, I say TR enter. I select now this red color line, enter. Now I can either select the top of the yellow line or bottom side of the yellow line. This also you know. Accept, enter. Done. Example B is also over. In this example here, please note that either red line or yellow color line not intersecting, bisecting, or passing over each other. They are apart from each other, separate from each other. There's no contact point. Even though in interview we have noticed, in a CAD interviews we have noticed people fail to do this. But even though, believe me, this you can trim. This red line and yellow color line we can trim. For example, TR enter. Let me select this point now, enter. This is what the common candidate will do this. TR enter. If I select this edge, not possible. This edge, not possible. See this now. Both sides not possible because I need to go and activate their edge option. Please note that. Edge option, E, edge option. In that edge option, again, we have two more options. Extend, no extend. Here, right now, the active is no extend is activated. No extend is activated. We need to extend this. I say E, enter. So AutoCAD software will extend automatically imaginary line to till that touches that line. Can you see this now? This line or this line, enter. Now see that without there is any crossover or intersection or bisect, even though we could able to trim it as per the logic extensions. I'll undo it back. I reverse this process, undo. U, enter. I repeat again this command, TR enter. I select this yellow color line first, enter. Then I need to switch over to edge method. Edge method. In this, I need to choose extend option. And now we are eligible either left side or right side. I can remove it off. Trim, enter. This is done. Okay, done. I'm going to the next example. A common, normally what they do, everybody will do TR double enter. I have noticed most of the CAD professionals will use TR, matlab trim command double enter, like this. TR double enter. Now, in this, that is case-to-case basis, that is very effective. Now, in this case, that's a very, very bad idea. I repeat again, TR double enter. Now, watch out this. Watch out this. I want to remove this red color line now. Red color line now. If I try to remove, see, this is going in bits and pieces. This is eliminating in bits and pieces. Trimming is happening. Trimming is happening in bits and pieces. I undo it back. I'll come back. Now I say TR enter. I select any one of the edges. And to show you that edge is on there. Edges extender. If it is no extend only, that will be useful. If it is extend, then all this yellow color line, imaginary line will touch to red color line, and that will keep on cut and or trim bits and pieces. So I repeat again, TR double enter is not good in all the cases. In this case also happening that TR double enter. If I go and select that, it's happening in bits and pieces. So TR double enter is not good all the times. Case to case basis that changes. I'm going to the next example, E now. In this E example, TR, enter. I will select red color line, enter. Now here, when I say TR, enter, select, enter, you have two more options here in the bottom side. Fencing, fence or crossing. Fence or crossing is nothing but if I go to fence, I can add like a fencing like this. First line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth, sixth to seventh here. And then I come back here, I go here, click and go out. I hope you can see the diagram of the fencing, the dash or dot line that represents the fencing, which that touches the line that will be eligible to eliminate or eligible to trim. Select, enter. So got removed. Undo it back here only. You enter. In the trim command only, you can last word, you can see that undo. Undoing the process. So I said you enter. So I got it back. Now I go to crossing. C enter. C enter stands for crossing. Now this time you all know the selection options. Right side is always a blue, left side is green. But now please note that left side is also green patch. Right side is also green patch because we have activated the crossing here. In this, I select this one. I select this two. Careful, the touches will be eliminated. Or even this one and enter. That's it, okay? I come back to undo back again, reversing back again. Coming back to the original status, you enter, you enter, you enter. So come back, return to the first original source drawing. So I hope so far you understood fencing, fence, crossing, edge method, and undo. But also there's two more very important topics are here. One is erase command and project also. Please note that erase, trim is different, erase is different. Trim is portion of drawing which is extended beyond that drawing edges that can be removed. But erase is total segment can be eliminated or deleted. For example, if I go to erase, I select this one. Please note that entire line is going off, not the portion of the line. This, and this enter. Now completely remove that line. Now I'll go to trim this line. Please note now portion of that only goes up. This beyond line, this beyond line. I hope you understood erase also there, right? Enter. So this example also got over, and I'm coming back to the last example, example F. That is, you can see clearly the two circles here. That is, one is a red color, one is a yellow color. This is 2D drawing now, but I slightly orbit, ORBIT, that indicates 3D model. How do I shuffle from top view to 3D model is, please note that right now we are in a 2D and we are in a top view. Here it is. My cursor point is top left. This top view, this indicates how to shuffle yourself to 3D model is press and hold shift button on your keyboard. Press and hold mouse wheel, drag slightly. So you're getting the 3D model, 3D angle. You can see both the circles are in a base, nothing but a ground floor. Simply saying all drawing falls in a ground floor. Now, even after this area, I wish to move this red color little up. M enter. M enter stands for move command. I select red circle, enter. I click somewhere outside. Doesn't matter. Somewhere outside here. But make sure R2 is on. F8 is on. Now I'm making sure myself, I'm moving just into Z direction. Positive Z, plus Z. Little height. I'm not worried about the height now. Now what I mean to say is, now again I slightly orbit. Here I would like to explain what I mean to say is, yellow color circle is on ground floor. Red color circle is on first floor. Like this is a ground floor, this is a first floor drawing. Okay, below and above. Now, if I orbit like this, you can see clearly the difference between each other. Ground floor, first floor. In this, suppose if I am looking like this now, please note this, yellow color circle is on ground floor, red is on first floor. Now I can trim this. This belongs to 3D. This belongs to 3D. I repeat again, TR, enter. I select the red circle, enter. Matlab first floor circle. I selected, enter. Now I go to project. I say project. I say just UCS. There are two options there, UCS and view option. If I go to UCS option, enter. If I click on this, see the portion is going to cut. The portion of circle is going to cut as per the 3D, but depends on the UCS. UCS matlab XY axis projecting out. Instead of that, I'll undo it back. You enter or I remove the command, escape completely, escape twice or come out of this, TR, enter, select the red circle, enter. Again, I go to project P and I go to view. V, enter. View means what the angle we are watching. Either this portion I can remove or I can remove this portion. Please check out. Either left side I can remove or right side I can remove. If I remove the left side, enter. Now this trim looks very perfect. This trim looks very perfect and exact in this angle. If I slightly shuffle my view by means of orbit, shift and hold keyboard, press the mouse wheel and drag, you can see this is the cut. This is the beauty of the cut of the trim command in a project method for a 3D axis. If I say undo, you enter, undoing back, see that edge. We come back to the original angle, 3D angle. So this is what, how that projected, this red color circle got projected on that yellow. So that is what got cut. I hope you understood now. Now I repeat one more time. TR, enter, red circle, enter. This project belongs to 3D model. This project belongs to 3D model, but 2D only you can cut there. 2D segments only you can cut, but this belongs to 3D atmosphere. Okay. I hope you understood all this: fence, crossing, project, edge, erase, and undo. So today's topic got completed. I hope you enjoyed this session and gained a good skill. Have a nice day.